Hello, how are you? It's nice to see you. My name is Paola Moreno and I will present the marketing plan. Product. I choose this product because of its attributes and benefits. It is high in protein and fibers. Also, it is low fat and preservative free. In addition, it is artificial coloring free. Target. The product target to the vegan public, vegetarians, animalistic people. This means they do not consume anything coming from animals. Behavior and demographic attributes. Age from 2 years old to 99. Gender men and women. Marital status: single, married, divorced. Income: C2 middle-ish class, C3 middle class. Geographic: cover from Arica to Puerto Montt. 4 P's. Product: Riku is for vegan people and it is made of black beans. It's got high levels of protein and fibers. Also, it is low fat and artificial coloring free. Price: the price range is from 4,900 pesos to 6,000 pesos the box of burgers. Placement: this product is sold in Chilean supermarkets. It is sold in Jumbo, Líder, Santa Isabel, Totus, Montserrat, and Unimark. Promotion: this product is advertised in social media on Instagram, Facebook, and websites. I have stated two objectives. The first one is that I would like to increase in the sales in a 5%. Related to the first objectives, increasing the sales in 5%, I think it is good idea to carry out its advertising strategies in social media on Instagram, Facebook, and the web page. I am going to hire for this job to a community manager who will be in charge of publishing promotions and content from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. during the all year 2021. The second objective is I am going to enlarge the point of sales. The second objective is to expand the point of sales. I think it will be useful to use a position strategies focusing on the vegan target audience. Position Riku's black bean burger according to its characteristics, quality, and flavor. I am going to hire promoters who will be in charge of offering free tasting at the supermarket, especially Líder, Jumbo, Unimark, and Totus in the southeast sector on Santiago during the first quarter of the year 2021. Budget. I am going to explain the budget to you first. We are going to spend on advertising strategies, publicity in social media, Instagram, Facebook, web page, and flyers, and amount of 1,450,000 pesos. Concept price 416,000 pesos. Community manager 450,000 pesos. In addition, we are going to spend on position strategies. Stand in supermarket, Líder, Unimark, Jumbo, and Totus, 1,300,000 pesos. Staff team promoter for 10 days, 1,000,000 pesos. Burger tasting, 3,050 pesos. Finally, the total budget is 5,018,000 pesos. Thanks for your attention. Goodbye.